This is a 6 degree of freedom robotic arm, and I had these robotic servos on hand, and so I bought a kit that had the rotating base and a gripper, and put it all together. And then I wanted a program to run the robotic arm, and I looked around and there wasn't a lot out there except very custom ones, or ones that required a custom servo shield, and I wanted just a simple XYZ program for the Arduino. And so I found one by Oleg Mozarov, and it turns out it's a very short, simple program, very easy to implement. And I'll put the links to the program. I'll put the actual code in the description. And anyway, I used a Arduino Uno and a simple shield, a sensor shield. It has no smarts in it. It's just simple connections to the input pins. And I made one modification on the shield. I bent the pin that goes from the external voltage into the Arduino through the 5-volt pin, and so I bent that out of the way, and that way my external pin just powers my servos and doesn't affect my Arduino. And evidently I reset this when I touch the pin. And using my adjustable 5 to 6 volt power supply. And that's about it.